Anthony Grasso here, bringing you financial news you can use. In this video, I'm doing a cryptocurrency analysis on Dogelon Mars, which is not going to the moon, folks. It is actually going to Mars. Yes, you heard it here. I'm going to go over a brief history of Dogelon Mars. I'm going to do some current news of it and do a current price analysis on the likelihood of ever reaching 1 cent, and then give it my buy, hold, or sell recommendation. As always, folks, don't forget to smash that like button down below. It definitely helps. And consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell to like your daily stock and cryptocurrency reviews and recommendations from an unbiased source. So let's get right into it. Now, for the full disclosure, I currently do not hold any Dogelon Mars in my portfolio right now, but I'm definitely planning on putting about $500 into it very soon. Now, Dogelon Mars is a cryptocurrency based on the Ethereum's blockchain using the ERC20 token standard. Now, the ERC20 token standard is used by most fungible tokens on the Ethereum's network, including Uniswap, Chainlink, and Aave. Now, Ethereum's network also secures the vast majority of non-fungible tokens on its network using the ERC 721 token standard. Now, Dogelon claims it is not a meme coin, but a real project with the stated mission of becoming the first interplanetary currency that can be used for paying for the transport of settlers to Mars. The developers claim they're also aiming to develop a trustworthy community-based coin by encouraging the Dogelon Mars community to airdrop their ELON tokens to victims of crypto scams and other rug pull schemes. Folks, this is a meme token, and we should treat it as such and have fun with it. Now, the cryptocurrency is inspired by Dogecoin. So what is Dogelon? Dogelon is just a blending of Dogecoin and the Dogecoin investor and fan Elon Musk, who is also the founder of Tesla, as we all know. Now, per the Dogelon website, the coin is a fork of Dogecoin and is the same sense that a knife is a fork of a spoon. I've named it after a capital city on Mars, Dogelon, pronounced Doge-Elon, not Doge-Elon, because they would be arrogant. Now, it seems the goal of the coin is to help people reach Mars more than anything and to stay safe from scams, according to the Dogelon website. Now, we want to reach Mars and beyond. However, many of those good people are rugged or buy scam tokens and can't be sold, the Dogelon website read. For this reason, the Dogelon community pledges to send tokens over time to victims of rugs and scams so the worst day of their trading life can be turned into their best. And after some time, they will be able to join us on our regular flights to Mars. Well, folks, they're not going to Mars. I can just tell you that right now. Now, the rise of Dogelon. Now, per the AMD Crypto, Dogelon has been making crazy gains on its daily chart. The token climbed about 120% earlier this week after jumping 1,000% in May. Now, the coin has a max supply of 1 quadrillion. That's the same as Shiba Inu, meaning that there's plenty of supply to be bought and passed around, according to AMD crypto reports. Now, per cryptomoney.com, the coin has spiked to become the 10th largest cryptocurrency overall. It now ranks ahead of other tokens such as Chainlink and Litecoin and Soleno. Now, a brief history of Dogelon Mars. It began trading on Uniswap back in April 22nd, 2021. The tokens were released via initial DEX offering. Now, DEXs are decentralized exchanges, meaning they use blockchain technology to power the exchange rather than a centralized entity like Coinbase or Robinhood. Now, the initial maximum supply is 1 quadrillion tokens, so don't expect the cryptocurrency to reach anywhere near $1 or even 1 cent anytime soon. Now, similar to Shiba Inu, Dogelon Mars sent half its supply, 500 trillion tokens, to Ethereum's founder, Vitalik Buterin. While it's unlikely Buterin will ever sell Dogelon, this still presents risk for the coin. If Vitalik Buterin were to sell his position, the asset would drop in price radically. The other half of the tokens were sent to Uniswap's DEX to provide liquidity for traders. This way, the market can decide the price of Dogelon Mars without any influence from the team itself. Now, however, with the price of the token appreciating so quickly, it's likely that early investors could manipulate the price if they own a large position. So why does Dogelon matter? According to AMD Crypto, the coin is a sign that Elon Musk has a big influence in cryptocurrency, even if he isn't hyping it up as much as he used to. So even though Musk may not be as influential as he once was, his presence certainly is overwhelming, according to AMD Crypto. Simply put, the Tesla CEO's enthusiasm enthusiasm and promotion of meme coins may have just spurred the growth of other meme coins like Doge and Dogelon and Shiba Inu. Now, while Dogelon has made it to the third largest market capitalization in terms of meme-based crypto assets, Elon's Dogelon Mars' market capitalization is only $332 million. That's a cry from the SHIB's $14 billion market valuation and Doge's $32.5 billion. Now, Dogelon Mars, it just became listed on the Crypto.com app, so it's easy to trade as well. I have to say, the value of this coin is based on the fact that everybody else puts value into it. Invest into this knowing that this is a meme crypto coin, and I recommend only investing what you're willing to lose. I do not believe in their interplanetary goals at all. So based on all of that, I am a buy and hodar in regards to Dogelon. Here's why. The market capitalization is extremely low compared to Shiba Inu with the same amount of tokens. I would keep my eye on the market capitalization. I believe that people will buy into this token just for the fact that it's a funny, crazy concept with Elon's name behind it. And if investors push this meme token, it could rise to the next Shiba Inu. Only time will tell, though, if that's actually going to be the case. I also plan for fun to keep track of any of the major future dips to think about buying more. I'm in this for the long haul, and I'm not worried about losing my investment on this thing. I'm just throwing money into that little account and then letting it roll. This is a purely speculative play, and if you don't mind parting with your money, have some fun with it and buy some Dogelon. I also want to briefly discuss the likelihood of it ever reaching $1 or even 1 cent for that matter. Now, looking at the market capitalization, if Bitcoin and Ethereum start increasing as well, I theoretically think this coin could go up to 0.001 at the highest, and that's really pushing it. But most likely, the highest you would ever see if everybody puts all their money into crypto, 0.0005. Now, I think that's wishful thinking, but hey, anything is possible. Now, if each token reaches 1 cent, you have to think about this. The market capitalization of Dogelon Mars would need to be $10 trillion, which seems highly unlikely. Now, the highest market capitalization of any crypto right now, which is Bitcoin, is currently 907 billion approximately, last time I checked, with Ethereum trailing at the second position of $404 billion. Now, Ethereum has a greater number of use cases and utility compared to Dogelon Mars. As with most cryptocurrency, a level of speculation is required to make any investment, advice. Now, while Dogelon has gained a mass attention in the last year due to meme culture, it's tough to apply any value from any investment point of view on this token coin. Now, the major concerns regarding Dogelon come from its creator's actions, sending half of its supply to Buterin. Now, that doesn't say anything like good to me. But in the end, buying Dogelon Mars is like buying one of the other 11,000 altcoin lottery tickets, okay? So there you have it, folks. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribe and hit that notification bell if you like to hear daily stock reviews and cryptocurrency reviews from an unbiased source. Until the next stock update video later today, folks, ciao.